All right, ladies and gentlemen, guess where we are? That's right, we are at the Folkston Railroad Museum. And they asked us if we could help them out with some maintenance on the track, and I said absolutely. So it's a pleasure for us to be here. We have, this is neat right behind me, let me point this out. This is all HO scale, and they got this nice case with the static display. This is awesome. This is where I want to go with our museum. So really nice stuff here. They have an O gauge, an O scale layout that's really nice that they couldn't get working. We cleaned the track on it. We can show you. Here's why that wasn't running. Okay, this gives you an idea of how much dirt builds up on those rails. All right, everything's been cleaned. Tracks, locomotives, everything. And of course, we got with us again today. We got the madman, Mike. All right, over there working. All right, Mike, you want to go ahead and tell everybody what you did so far?
So far, we cleaned the track. We also cleaned the central wheel contactor in the middle of the locomotive to pick up the electricity more efficiently.
Show the people at home what you're talking about with that.
Yeah. Right here is the center contact for the third rail in the middle, and we cleaned that out.
Awesome.
And we have noticed a significant improvement on the operation of the locomotives.
So what's different between O gauge and the other scales?
O gauge has a third center rail to provide your power to the locomotive.
Awesome.
As well as unlike the HO gauge or the G gauge, it has a plus and positive and negative side to pick up the power. This just has one center rail, which is very unusual.
That's awesome.
This is the Atlantic coastline.
And then we learned today, because I forgot all about it, I used to have G gauge when I was a kid, or O gauge when I was a kid. You can't go from one direction to the other automatically. You have to go through neutral. So Mike will give you a demonstration of that here. But we kind of dud on that yesterday. We're like, why does it want to go backwards? Because you have to go through neutral. Anyway, I forgot. I had O gauge way back when I was a little kid, like 80, 90 years ago. Anyway, so Mike's going to give you a demonstration of what we're talking about with going from neutral, from forward through neutral and back to reverse. And just another point of reference for you guys at home, Mike's going to the transformer here. He remembers this transformer from what show, Mike?
Addams Family.
Addams Family.
Addams Special. Okay. We're neutral here. Let's go ahead and throw into forward. You have to do one bump of the controller.
All right, we're in neutral.
I'm going to go forward.
There we go. So that's how it's done.
Oops.
Oh, now you're running both.
Sorry, I've never worked with O gauge before until today, really. So
That's okay. O gauge is very finicky. See, this is what's finicky about O gauge. That one's in neutral. That one's, you know, you got to get them both at the same if you're going to run two engines at once. This guy's still in neutral. So the quick and easy solution is we go ahead and get rid of this guy.